Hello and welcome to the channel, a platform where you learn new skills that will save time and boost your work productivity. If you find this video helpful, then please like and share the video, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to ensure you are notified whenever a new video is added. So, let's get started. ISODD function is used to check if a numeric value is an odd number. ISODD will return true when a numeric value is odd and false when a numeric value is even. ISODD function being a part of a group of functions called the IS functions that all return the logical values true or false. In this case, we will check if the selected value is an odd number and return true, otherwise false. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have not already, then please do subscribe to the channel to make sure that you don't miss any updates.